Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Minecraft world is suffering from terrible screen tearing, weird white grid lines between your blocks, or completely invisible chunks, your game is miscommunicating with your graphics card. I will show you exactly how to adjust your video settings and fix these graphical artifacts right now. Let's get started. First, if your screen looks like it is being sliced horizontally when you look around, your graphics card is generating frames much faster than your monitor can actually display them. Press the Escape key, click on Options, and open your video settings. Look for the slider named Max Frame Rate and either drag it to explicitly match your monitor's exact refresh rate, like 60 or 144 Hz, or simply turn on VSync to force the game to automatically synchronize the frames. Next, if you are seeing weird white outlines, grid lines, or pixel gaps between blocks in the distance, your graphics driver is forcing incompatible anti-aliasing onto the game engine. Close Minecraft completely, right-click on your Windows desktop and open the NVIDIA control panel or your AMD equivalent. Click on Adjust Image Settings with Preview on the left sidebar and select Let the 3D application decide. Alternatively, go into Manage 3D Settings and ensure both anti-aliasing and anisotropic filtering are completely turned off or set to Application Controlled. Finally, if you are walking through your world and entire chunks are rendering completely invisible, flashing black, or trapping you in X-ray vision, your visual renderer has fallen out of sync with the server. You do not need to restart your game to fix this. Simply stand safely near the glitched area and press the F3 and the A key on your keyboard at the exact same time. This built-in shortcut forces the Minecraft engine to instantly reload all visible chunks, fixing visual holes and lighting shadows immediately. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.